Hello, fifth grade trumpets. How are we doing? It's Melanie here, coming to you, going to present number 139, technique tracks for this week's homework. Okay? All right, let's take a look at it first as a team here. So our key signature, we have a B flat. So here is a B, so this will also be flat. So that will be our first finger, not second finger, first. That's B flat, right? And here as well, we have another B flat, first finger, sorry for my handwriting. And then let's see what else. Just B flat, I don't see any other B flats, everything else is natural. Then we are in common time, which that is the same as what? Do you remember? That's right, 4/4 time. Very nicely done. So it is the same as 4/4. So 4 beats per measure, quarter note gets the beat, okay? So now we're gonna scan, let's see our tempo. It doesn't say. So technique tracks, we just go whatever speed we want to. Then we look at our rhythms, tas, quarter notes, and half notes. Oh, here we have a dotted quarter note. So that is 1.5 beats. There we go. There's a 1. Okay, 1 1/2. So we think ta, 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 ti, ta. All right, that's how we count that. And one more here as well. Ta, 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 ti, ta. Okay, let's count the whole thing and then we'll look at our notes. Here we go. 1, 2, clap it. Here we go. Ta, 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 ti, ta. Rest, rest. Ta, 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 ti, 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 ta. Rest. Ta, 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 ti, ta. Okay, no repeat sign. Nicely done, guys. Now let's go ahead and sing and finger it. This is our first note. There's our C. Okay, I will sing and finger it with you. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and C, B flat, A, G, F, A, F, A, F, G, A, B flat, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, rest, E, C, D, E, F. Awesome. Yes, make sure we hold out that whole note, the whole value. Don't cheat it, okay? Awesome, guys. Now I will play it for you with the metronome. Again, feel free to repeat this video as many times as you need to. Here we go. It's kind of fast. I'm gonna bump it down a little bit. And here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, great, guys. All right, to resume, to summarize that, I'm gonna go ahead and circle these measures. If I were gonna practice, I would be practicing this measure because of the funny dotted quarter rhythms for sure. But I definitely spend some serious time on this measure with your eighth notes. Ti, 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 ta, right? They're not hard notes, the same as hot cross buns from 4th grade, easy. C, D, E. Easy notes. You just have to get them fast enough with your tongue. Right, guys? So make sure you spend some extra time on these 3 measures and it will sound awesome, okay? Now let's go ahead and play it with the recording. Here we go. I put it on slow just so it wasn't too fast. I will play it one time with Essential Elements Interactive. Here we go. copy on that. So I'm going to do it again normal speed. So this will be a lot faster. So once you have it like way up to speed, you can play at this speed, right? Here we go. Let's do it again. Normal speed, Technique Trax. Awesome, guys. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Again, if you need any help, if you want an extra help, if you just want a private lesson and get ahead and play a fun new song like Star Wars or Jurassic Park or whatever you want, we are here for you, okay? We will help you with this song. We will help you with any song you want. We just want you to keep playing that trumpet, guys. So let us know. Shoot me an email. Send me a Google Hangout chat. Whatever works for you. We are here for you, myself and Ben. So keep practicing, guys, and we'll see you next week.